Okay, so today I'm at Tivoli Murals Project. Where are we?
We're at Dreckett's place in Tivoli Gardens, you know.
Okay, so this is where we are.
Where we are about to be exact in Tivoli Gardens. So we're here showcasing all the murals on the wall. Let you see what we're doing, what we're all about.
And what are you all about? The Tivoli Murals Project.
Yeah, this is the Murals Project. So this is phase one. We did this last year.
Last year?
Yeah.
2002, okay.
So we did this project last year. So we're embarking on phase two now. Yeah, that will be on a different section of the community. Yeah, so that will be this is the lion with the lady's face. You know.
Powerful.
It's such a very significant meaning.
Powerful. If people want to come here, what's the name of this road? I see two different names. Bongi, yeah.
Oh, that's the road to there.
Okay.
It's
I see Keith Avenue. I see Vincent Park.
Yeah,
so it's near there. You know that it's in the vicinity. But if you have a look at these murals, they are amazing. I would recommend you check them out. Yeah.
They call it the crutchet.
Yeah.
This is some of the events that we had before and some that we're still doing. You know, we had champions in action. You know, we have the Queen's Theatre where we showcase many different sides of what we can do.
And I understand you've got some events coming up soon. You've got two events, two big events.
We have a music culture fest coming on Heroes Weekend.
Heroes Weekend, a culture.
It'll be 2 nights. First night will be gospel. Second night will be reggae, dancehall.
Okay.
So live chat.
So you can check it out. The number is 876-442. So if I show you again. So you can reach out Tivoli Murals Project. And there's their contact details. You've got their email there. And you've got their telephone number 876-442-8867. They need all the support, whether you're an artist, whether you want to donate paint, materials. They want to get phase 2 up and running. They're starting it, so that's why I'm here today. There's a number of artists here today supporting them. Yeah. Look at that, how stunning that is. Beautiful.
That's the guy that you were talking.
Yes. Let me have a look at this.
Hummingbird.
Yeah, stunning. Beautiful. Right, so this is Bump Park, Tivoli Gardens in Kingston. What is there not to love about this beautiful island of Jamaica?
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. 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 Today's gonna be a good day. Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication.